Hey everybody, big news for Kia EV6 owners in the USA. The ICCU recall is now officially available. So a lot of you guys will remember about a month ago or so, I shared some information about the upcoming recall for the ICCU for the Kia EV6. This is a new recall. This is different than the one last year. It is new software, and it is something that I highly recommend getting done. And it's basically for all EV6s. It's all of them that were produced prior to February 2024. So all the 2022 and 2023 EV6s and some of the 2024s that are out there. So it is something that is now available for dealerships. They can see it in their system based off of VIN. So if you get an appointment, they will be able to install it right now. It is not something that you can see online yet. At least for me, I don't see it in my Kia system online or in my app, but they can definitely see it on their end. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because this is something that is important. You probably want to get your appointments scheduled as soon as possible. I know a lot of dealerships, including my own, have big delays when it comes to scheduling. And as more and more people that own EV6s start scheduling these, you could see some more backups. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions on the ICCU recall or the software update. It should be fairly quick. Most people are not going to have ICCUs that have the DTC that requires an ICCU replacement. So it should just be a software update for the vast majority of people, which means maybe an hour, hour and a half at the dealership for them to apply the software update, and then you hopefully will be good to go. And hopefully this is the last time that Kia is going to be putting out a fix for the ICCU failing. But yeah, like I said, let me know if you guys have any questions. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the video that I did about the ICCU recall. I go into a lot more detail there. But for this video, like I said, I just wanted to make you guys aware that you can get the update done now at your local dealership. So go ahead and get those appointments scheduled. And thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I have a lot coming, and I will see you guys soon.